If you are looking for how to put your Instagram account private, then keep watching. So first open your Instagram on the mobile phone and then head to the profile picture. Click on that, and on the right side top corner, click on three lines, and now scroll down, and under the who can see your content you will see that account privacy, and right now it is public account. You need to click on that, and you need to turn on this toggle bar and click switch to private. So in this way you can turn your account to the private. So if you want to review your followers, you need to click on that. Simply you need to review your followers manually, and you can cross the followers which you don't want to see. So after that, that's all, and your account is now private, and now no one can see your post on Instagram. I think this video is helpful. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.